Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 24, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 24, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, March 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 24, 2024 Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 73.5 million pesos for Sunday, March 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 24, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.